Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about dozers in the heavy equipment industry, the 2026 Komatsu D61PX. This machine is already making headlines for its blend of power, precision, and operator comfort. Whether you're working in construction, road building, or large-scale earth moving, the D61PX is built to perform. And in this video, we'll break down its exterior design, operator-focused, interior, real-world performance, and of course, the price you can expect if you're looking to add it to your fleet. From the very first look, the 2026 Komatsu D61PX makes a strong impression. The exterior design speaks volumes about Komatsu's focus on durability and toughness. It sits wide and stable with that low ground pressure track setup that has become a hallmark of the PX series. This design allows the Dozer to handle soft ground and muddy terrain with ease, where traditional machines might sink or spin. The blade is massive, engineered for both brute pushing force and precise grading, while the overall profile of the machine shows off a refined, modern look that matches its advanced engineering. Komatsu has also made small but important updates to the body panels to improve visibility and make maintenance more straightforward, something operators and mechanics will definitely appreciate over time. The heavy-duty frame and reinforced undercarriage remind you instantly that this dozer is built to work hard every day in the toughest conditions without compromise. Looking closer, the exterior highlights Komatsu's commitment to environmental responsibility. The D61PX comes equipped with a redesigned emissions system that meets the strictest 2026 global standards, while still keeping efficiency high. Its exhaust system vents cleanly with minimal obstruction, and the machine integrates eco-friendly technology without sacrificing power. The lighting package has been upgraded to full LED, which improves visibility during night work while lowering power consumption. It's clear Komatsu didn't just focus on ruggedness, but also factored in safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Step inside the cab, and things get even more impressive. The interior of the 2026 D61PX shows Komatsu's continued dedication to keeping the operator comfortable and in control. The cab is roomy, sealed against dust and noise, and equipped with climate control that handles everything from icy winter mornings to blazing summer afternoons. The seat is fully adjustable with strong ergonomic support, helping reduce fatigue. During long shifts, every control is placed within easy reach, and the latest Komatsu monitor system sits in clear view without blocking forward visibility. The monitor itself is a huge upgrade. It gives operators access to diagnostics, fuel usage, grading data, and customizable machine settings depending on the job. Komatsu's intelligent machine control system has been tuned even further for 2026, making grading more accurate and efficient than ever before. Operators can switch between automatic and manual blade control depending on the task, and the feedback is extremely precise. Visibility from inside the cab is excellent as well. Wide glass surfaces, slimmer cab pillars, and optional camera systems provide a near panoramic view of the worksite. This helps reduce blind spots and improves overall safety, especially in crowded or tight job conditions. Now let's talk performance, where the D61PX really shines. Under the hood is a powerful engine tuned for both brute pushing force and fuel economy. Komatsu refined the powertrain to deliver consistent torque across the rev range. This means the dozer doesn't bog down when it's pushing heavy loads, but it also doesn't burn fuel unnecessarily when performing lighter grading work. The hydrostatic transmission ensures seamless shifts, keeping the machine smooth, responsive, and easy to maneuver even on rough or uneven ground. The wide tracks give the D61PX a big advantage in flotation, letting it travel across soft surfaces that would cause heavier ground pressure machines to bog down or rut. Yet it doesn't sacrifice traction, maintaining stability on slopes and uneven terrain. The blade delivers excellent results, with smoother grading passes, better load retention, and more precise finishing thanks to Komatsu's refined intelligent control. That level of accuracy translates directly into cost savings and time savings for operators who need both speed and precision. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 model is its balance between raw power and refined control. You can throw it at heavy clearing or pushing jobs and it will tackle them with confidence. But when you switch to fine grading, it transitions effortlessly. This versatility means you don't need as many machines on site, which is a major plus for contractors and project managers trying to maximize efficiency. Maintenance is another area where Komatsu has made improvements. The D61PX includes better access panels, centralized service points, and longer service intervals that cut downtime. Built-in diagnostics also make it easier for operators and service teams to spot problems early before they turn into major repairs. Together, these updates mean more uptime, fewer headaches, and a lower total cost of ownership over the life of the Dozer. Now let's get into pricing. A big part of any buying decision. The 2026 Komatsu D61PX falls into the premium mid-size Dozer category. Depending on configuration, attachments, and local availability, the base price will usually run between $250,000 and $320,000. A fully loaded version with advanced blade options, intelligent machine control, and technology add-ons can go up to around $350,000. While that is a serious investment, it's important to remember that this machine is built for long-term durability and efficiency. For contractors who value reliability and need a Dozer that keeps downtime to a minimum, the D61PX can pay for itself over years of consistent work. Financing programs and leasing options are also available, making it realistic for both large firms and mid-sized operators who want to step up their capabilities. To wrap things up, the 2026 Komatsu D61PX isn't just another Dozer. It's a thoughtfully engineered machine that brings together a rugged exterior, a comfortable operator-first interior, high-level performance, and a price that reflects long-term value. Whether you're preparing roads, shaping construction sites, or moving heavy material, this machine is ready to get the job done. Komatsu has earned its reputation for reliability and innovation, and the D61PX proves that reputation is well deserved.